Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how to set up these routing stuff, and yeah, in this video I will showcase you uh, how to uh, have this navigation bar as a common component within all these pages. Then we don't need to explicitly write uh, these navbar component uh, in all of these pages, right? So what we have to do is basically we can make another component called layout. So I will name this as standard layout, so we can have different layout later on. And RFCE, and I will call the navbar component inside here, right? Then I will call this standard layout over uh, our home page, right? So we don't need this one, so import standard layout. Standard layout will be called like this, and you can see the navigation bar is there. But again, if you go to this store and other stuff, it won't give whatever you wanted. So what we require is this layout needs to be common for each and everything, and it must render whatever inside it. So instead of declaring it as like this, what we can do is make it like this one, right? Then place the home inside it. But if I go to the Chrome back again, it doesn't render the relevant component, because inside this standard layout it doesn't know what to be rendered. So in such cases we use this special property called children. So this is a children props. So this prop will be called here. So if I do it like that and go to the Chrome back again, so now it show me the home component as well, right? So that is how we use children props and layout as well. Now what I can simply do is copy this standard layout to all the other pages, and let's call this standard layout inside other files. Standard layout, standard layout, and standard layout, standard layout. So this is contact, and this is help, this is home, and this is social, and this is stuff. So I will format all the document. Okay. Now if you go to the Chrome again, if I click this link, you can see how the pages are rendered dynamically, and it shares this navigation bar as well, right? So now we don't need to specify the navigation bar for each and every pages. So instead of that, what we can do is basically use this standard layout as a template wrapper to our web pages, and it will manage all the other stuff, right? So now we don't need this div as well, so I can remove that div from other pages as well. So like that. Okay. So now you can see how we can use the components in a reusable fashion within our React project, right? So Okay, now our navigation bar works correctly, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.